So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Django on your computer in your virtual environment basically. So now what you have to do is just simply open your VS Code and then open your desired folder. Here I have already selected my desired folder. Now what I have to do is just simply I will go here and then here, and then I will create a virtual environment for my project, because I have some project specific dependencies, like I will be installing Django in my project separately, and then there will be many things for my project. So I don't want to install that on my system level. So I will be installing here only in this virtual environment. Now what you have to do is I will create a new file named as test.py just to check that my Django is successfully installed or not. Okay, then what you have to do is just simply click here and make sure that it is selected as venv. Now click on terminal. You can see that there is no pop-up. That means there might be some issue with your virtual environment. To debug that, there is a basic step. I will show you that. Just simply click here and then change the version to global version. Now again go back to virtual environment. Close this and now open your terminal. You will see a pop-up for this that your virtual environment is successfully activated. Now you can install your required modules. I will be installing Django. Pip install Django. This will take some seconds. Till then you can write your basic code snippet here. Import Django and then import Django and then print Django.getVersion. Get version. I want to see the version which I have just installed. You can see that I have installed Django 5.1.7, but in order to verify that I have installed it correctly, I will just go here and type Python and then the file name of this test.py. You can see that it is showing the 5.1.7. That means this code is running and our Django is imported successfully. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.